Hi friends, in today's video I'm going to show you the books you need to prepare in your third year minor. Basically, there are lots of books. It depends on your need, the way you want to study, how much you want to study. So I will show you all the books which you need to buy in third minor. So basically there are four subjects in minor. The first one is FMT, which was in our second year, but now from our batch this is in third minor. So basically we have to study FMD, opthal, ENT, and last community medicine. These four subjects you need to study here. So let's see one by one the book you need to prepare. So the first book is for FMD, forensic medicine and toxicology. You need to prepare the Reddy's. Either you can prepare synopsis or you can prepare essentials, depends on you. Basically essential is the detailed version of Reddy for FMD, and synopsis is the brief. So if you want to study more in the detail, then you can prepare essential, or you can go for synopsis if you want to pass UT. So I will show you the another essentials of Reddy. Here this is the essentials of FMT from the author Reddy's. So you can prepare this or you can prepare synopsis. I told you, depends on your demands. Now the next book for community medicine. Here also there are two books. Either you can prepare Park or you can go for SETI. Park is the detailed version of for community medicine, and SETI same, the brief version. So it's like in second year we have a subject Pharmac, where there are you can either prepare KDT or you can prepare Sandbach. So Sandbach is this SETI for community medicine, and KDT is like this Park. So you can prepare KDT or Sandbach. So for community medicine you can prepare KDT, I mean Park, or you can prepare Sandbach, I mean SETI. Short notes. You can prepare this or this. I prepare this because I just want to pass third minor, and like for better understanding I prepare Marrow notes for PSM. Now next subject is ENT. So let's see. For ENT you even need to prepare this Dhingra, only one book. There is no other option. Like it's a standard book. Everyone prepare this. You can see the book, the color diagram, neat and clean diagrams are there, and best book for ENT. So along with this book there is another manual comes. It's like in first year we had a BD Chaurasia. With BD Chaurasia there was a small book comes like that. Here in ENT Dhingra providers manual of clinical cases. This is actually a good book, good manual as second edition latest, and for the main book it's edition, 8th edition is the latest edition. SETI's third edition is latest. Okay. And for last subject opthal, you need to prepare Khurana. Yes, with Khurana another logbook comes. This is just for practical, for your practical. There is a activity spaces present for your activities you need to perform in practicals, and this is the main book which you have to study the whole year. What is this? Oh, some tag is here. टॉप डॉग बने वही चीज़ का गाइड हो सही. वाओ, समझ रहे हो आप? ठीक है, एडवर्टाइजमेंट और कुछ नहीं. तो ये बुक आपको पढ़ना है साल भर. ठीक है, यू कैन सी. सो दिस वन and this is so same as usual. Dhingra, Khurana is also like that, the standard only. You have to study in your minor. There is no other option, or maybe there are, but you just need to prepare this Khurana. So this is all about third minor, concise third minor. You need to study the whole year in last 4 subjects: the FMT, community medicine, ENT, and opthal. So I told you all about the books you need to study in third minor. Now the additionally, I prefer these two extra notes for ENT and opthal. These are nothing but the marrow notes. Instead of buying the new notes, I prefer to Xerox them. So in 350 rupees, I bought these two notes just for study purpose. And for yeah, I know there are no color diagram in these notes, but you can pay for Marrow app for color diagram. So approximately, okay, now I will tell you the prices of this book. Basically these notes 170 and 180 for Xerox notes of Marrow ENT opthal, and this Khuranak comes in approximately 1120 rupees, and Dhingra for 1040, this SETI in 600, and that Synopsis in 540. You need to invest 4000 rupees for your all third year books. Thanks for watching the video.